Good morning, LEGO fans. I am Brickwise, and today I am joined by
Lego fan?
LEGO Fan. Today we're going to be unboxing the Jurassic Park T-Rex Breakout. This is set number 76956, 18 plus, 1,212 pieces.
Me, Lego fan's mom got this for Brickwise for Father's Day. And that will I got from the dentist.
And don't forget to like the video. All right, so what this is an exciting set. So as LEGO Fan had said, I got this for Father's Day. This is an exciting set because this is definitely an iconic scene in the Jurassic Park movies, right? Which you have not seen.
I only used to watch Lego Jurassic Park shows on Netflix, but now we only have Disney Plus.
Yep.
Don't comment down below how that happened. Down below that.
So you get 4 minifigures in here. You get Dr. Ian Grant, Dr. Malcolm, and the 2 kids.
I like Dr. Malcolm.
This is
I like Dr. Malcolm.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn this.
Their first E was Dr. E. Malcolm.
Ian.
Dr. E. Malcolm.
Ian Malcolm. All right, so on the back, you're seeing a different angle of the setup here. It says, "Boy, do I hate being right all the time," by Ian Malcolm. A quote by Ian Malcolm. So if you look on here, you see the windshield looks like it's got some mud splotches on it, which makes sense. The kids have mud on them as well. You also have then a scene from the movie that's from where that had come in, and that's kind of like a recreation of that part of the movie. And then you've got this right here, which is it shows 23 inches long and 6 inches high. Go ahead.
So, I don't know how they made that happen.
Yeah, we'll see when we build it.
And
then maybe we can do another video for the good viewers on the actual review of it. Yeah.
Before we get rid of the box, I want to show you my favorite piece on here, which is this.
The cords?
The cord piece.
Nice. That's supposed to be an electric fence that the power is out, so the T-Rex was able to break through. All right, so I'm going to open the box. How many bags do you think it is? Huh?
I think it's 7, 8, 9, 6, or 10.
Wow, that's a lot of different guesses.
Or 8. I might be right.
You might be right on one of those, right? I'm going to guess that there is 9 bags. You know what? Actually, I'm going to guess there's 12 bags in here.
Why?
Well, because there's 1,212 pieces, right? So I'm going to guess there's 12 bags. All right, let's...
But there's no 12 bags we saw any yet.
There's been sets with bags with that many bags.
But
that would mean you've got about a bag per 100. Oh, the first thing I grab here is
manual and stickers.
The manual and the stickers. Oh, look at that. That's kind of neat.
I like how they made a manual and Brickwise is a fan of stickers, but I am.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of stickers on Lego sets. Stickers in themselves are fun.
Stickers because you can put them in always. I'm sorry I interrupted.
Oh, thank you. No, you're fine. So it looks like there's 21 stickers. A number of them are doubled up. You've got 2 of the no feeding, flashing, or yelling. You got 2 of the 10,000 volts, 2 of the 04s, 2 of the 05s. Looks like that's about it. But yeah, a lot of stickers there. A lot of stickers.
I'm gonna pull up
Hold on. We're showing the manual real quick first.
Easter for 4 bags. You know what?
Yep, there's at least 4 bags. I'm not going to spend much time on the manual, but flip through it real quick. Looks like you build the Jeeps, then the dinosaur, then the base. Is that how it looks like there? Oh, that's kind of neat. Rar. Rar. Don't move. Oh, uh-oh. Well, I just looked. There's 9 bags. So I was wrong. I think, wasn't I going to go with 9? Anyway. I like the look of the manual there.
I said 9, so I guess I won. 6.
Bag 6. Oh, all right. We're just going to put that down here.
The back. So there's 5. 5.
Oh, uh-oh. You're spelling out. Hold on. All right, so in 5, it looks like you get one of the people, one of the maybe adults. Bag 7. Hold on. I got him. Bag 1. Looks like bag 1 has 2 of the kids, both of the kids in it.
Bag 8.
Oh, don't drop them, please. Bag 8 has a lot of the foliage.
Subscribe.
Yep. Don't forget to subscribe to Brickwise.
Bag 9.
I like the final bag here. Oh, that's a bag 6.
Oh.
Yeah, you see? Okay. Hold on. Hey. Quick. Lego fan. You gotta come back this way, okay?
Bag 2.
Bag 2.
Bag 9.
There's bag 9. Okay. Nope. You gotta come back this way, okay?
Oh, the base plate.
Oh, there's base plate and
Bag 8.
final bag. How many base plates are in there?
1.
So there's 1 16 by 16 base plate. Oh, but there's all the cords in there too.
Character.
Alright, so
I
I
don't know
got 1,
why.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those in there. I wonder if they gave you an extra one, because there should only be 6, right? Huh, interesting. Alright, anyway. So that's the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Anything else you wanted to say to the good viewers before we say goodbye?
I love Lego Jurassic World. So, goodbye.
All right. Well, don't forget to subscribe to Brickwise. Make sure to throw a like on the video.
Give us
Comment down below, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
thank you.